Guys, Mary Kay has rebranded. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Celine. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. I would truly and greatly appreciate it. It's the red button either here or here. It's absolutely free. YouTube will not charge you, and I most certainly will not charge you. So please join my family. Let's have fun. Let's keep each other company in this COVID-19 pandemic. Like, guys, how is everyone doing out there? I hope everyone is fine. I hope you're staying safe. I hope you're staying at home. Sit your butt down. I hope you're not putting your life and the lives of your loved ones in danger. So please stay at home, practice good hygiene, and by God's special grace, this too shall pass. I believe it, I have faith, and I know it will. So yeah, please stay safe in these times. Guys, Mary Kay has rebranded. Like, if you are in Nigeria, like I remember that year when every mother, every auntie, every cousin, every single person or every single lady in Nigeria had a Mary Kay foundation in their makeup bag. Like that was the most popular foundation then, until like the price increased and then other cheaper options came along and all that. But yeah, so guys, Mary Kay has finally decided to rebrand. So this is what the old packaging looks like. So it's the white, plain packaging. But now this is what they have rebranded to. So guys, like, the packaging has changed. Everything about the new one has changed. Before then, this white one, they had the white one, that's this one, and then they had the time-wise range. So those were the two ranges. This was actually like a lot cheaper than the time-wise range. The time-wise range, I think, was about 6,000 or so, while this was like 4,000 something. But yeah, but now according to what I heard, this might actually be phased out, and this would be what would replace it. So you would no longer be seeing this white one in the market. Well, you might still be seeing it, but it won't be as rampant anymore. This is what is coming to replace it. This is the Mary Kay Time-Wise Matte 3D Foundation. So yeah, that is what it looks like. It's the same number of fluid ounces, 1 fluid ounce for each one, although this white one is 29 ml and this is 30 ml, so 1 extra ml inside this one. What is different about it, aside from the packaging, one is more like a gray packaging. It's still the same tube, squeeze tube, both of them, and yeah, so the numberings have changed, although this is still bronze, but the numbering has changed. This is bronze 607, which is close to my shade. My problem I always had with this one, it always, at the end of the day, it's I don't know, would I say it became lighter during the day? I don't know, but yeah. So this is bronze 160. So basically they're supposed to be the same shade. Let me just take a little bit on my hand. This is 607 right here, and this is 160. As you can see, the 607 has a very reddish orangey undertone, while this is kind of like a yellowish reddish undertone. So but yeah, so basically they are somewhat close, or the shading is somewhat close to each other. It's just that the 160, the redness of it has, like, it's not as reddish as the 607. So, and that was one of the problems I always had with this 607. It always ended up looking like lumpa, very orangish, reddish. Okay guys, like I said, the numbering has changed. So this white one, or the old one, is 607, while the new one is 160. And actually there's a C here. I don't know if that C means cool, but yeah, there's actually a C close to the 160. So probably it's like cool 160, I'm not sure. But yeah, the only difference I can spot here is that this original or this old one is for normal to oily skin, while this new one says combination to oily skin. I am combination skin, so I'm actually excited to try this. I'm not going to be doing a wear test for this foundation, because I have actually been using this ever since I got it. Like, this is even like my second or third tube of it. Ever since I bought it, I've been using it on clients, but I haven't actually used it on myself. So I'm just going to be doing a first impressions of on myself basically. And yeah, and from looking at it on my clients' faces, it's been amazing. Like, it dries super fast, so you actually have to be fast when you're blending it into the skin. That's one thing I noticed ever since I started using on my clients. It dries super fast. And yeah, it's a medium to full coverage foundation. Like, once that full coverage comes on, like, it is amazing. Like, your skin, like, most times I hardly even use powder, because that's how it looks matte by the time you apply it on the skin. So yeah, so for me, this is basically going to be like a first impressions on myself. So yeah, but basically there's absolutely nothing different. It's still the same directions and everything, but yeah, the only difference is that, yeah, this one has 1 extra mil in it. And yeah, and they say this is a matte foundation. So guys, I am going to I haven't done anything on my skin. My skin is not prepped yet, so I'm basically going to prep my skin and then come and apply the foundation. So yeah, I will see you guys pretty soon. So yeah. All right, guys, so my skin is prepped and ready. I've done everything, so now I'm just applying the foundation to one side of my face. As you can clearly see, when I first applied it, it looked a little bit light, but as I blended it into my skin, like, it started almost disappearing into my skin, which is one thing I love about this foundation. Like, it's amazing. You can see the difference between my skin, like, and the foundation. Amazing. I love it. Guys, like, can you see the side of my face where I use the foundation? Like, my face feels like this foundation is super matte. Like, see how my face feels so matte, like, feels really matte. Like, you can see this is the side without foundation and this is the side with foundation. Like, the foundation kind of instantly, like, blurs out your skin, like your pores. Well, that's what I am seeing. It kind of blurs out your pores, you know, makes your face look smooth. Like, this side kind of still looks a little bit like rough, you know, you can still see the pores and everything. But on this side, it feels like everything has just been covered up, which is like quite nice. I really like that. Another thing I've noticed too, this foundation like oxidizes immediately. Like, I'm going to show you my hand for the swatches I did, which have dried like a few minutes ago. But I noticed this on my face, like, on the foundation drying, it looked lighter when I first applied it, but now it just blends into my skin, like, it looks like my skin shade. So this foundation oxidizes and goes darker. So I would advise, if anybody wants to get it, if you feel 607 was your shade, I think you should go a little bit higher, or go a shade lighter. I don't know, I'm just saying. But anyways, for me, I actually like that it's going darker, because I was actually concerned about how light it looked on my hand. But now, on looking at it, it actually looks good on my face. Like, it actually has oxidized to look like my skin tone, which I like. Yeah, anybody who wants to get this Mary Kay Time Wise foundation, be sure to get a shade lighter so it oxidizes into your shade. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, it has actually oxidized to look like my skin, which is quite nice. I like it. Like, it has blurred out all my pores. Like, wow, which is like so good. Like, foundation is good. It's good. Like, I think that's the whole 3D effect, to make your face look like really smooth. I think that's the 3D effect it gives. So I'm happy with that. I really like that. It's a win for me. So I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face. Then I'll do the rest of my face, like my full face of makeup, and then I will come back to actually rate the foundation and give you my verdict. So I will see you guys later. Okay guys, so can you see that this is 607 fully dried up? You can see it's oxidized, but it still looks a little bit lighter and more orangey. But this one, this is the 160, this is the time wise. Like you can see how it has oxidized and it has gotten darker and it has almost completely disappeared. So I'm just going to do like a fresh swatch. So guys, this is the fresh swatch, and then this is it dried. You can tell that it clearly has oxidized and gotten darker. So you can tell the difference. Like this is freshly applied and this is it after a couple of minutes. So it has dried and oxidized. So yeah. Hi guys, so I am back. My full face of makeup is done. Like guys, you can actually tell that the foundation really oxidizes. Like, can you see, like it has gotten even more darker than before? Like, I actually like how it oxidizes. A lot of people might not like the way it will oxidize. It might oxidize. So I would suggest you go a shade lighter than your skin tone when you're going to pick your foundation, just in case it over oxidizes and it gets too dark. So yeah, but I am actually satisfied. I'm happy with actually how this foundation oxidized. I really love it. And yeah, I would rate this foundation an 8 out of 10. Just because the foundation I feel is very, very nice. Like it lives up to the whole being matte, and I think the 3D effect is what makes your skin look flawless. So yeah, I actually love the foundation. It retails for 6,000 naira. I think that's how much I bought it. It retails for 6,000 naira. So that is like approximately, I'm going to put the conversion rate here in dollars. So yeah, it's quite pricey, yes, but for all that it has given me, I think I actually like it. I think it's worth the price. So yeah. Well, now I'm looking at it, I'm not even sure if this is supposed to if this is going to replace this, or if it is like a replacement for the time wise itself. But either way, this is the new Mary Kay foundation. So yeah, I would recommend that everyone go get it. You would not be disappointed. But yeah, as for smell, it doesn't have any smell actually. I forgot to say that. Well, it has a little smell, but not like a very strong perfumey smell. So if you're one that isn't all about that fragrance cosmetics, yeah, I don't think the smell is actually that harsh or that strong. So but yeah, so guys, this is my review of the new Mary Kay Time Wise Matte 3D foundation, and I hope you get it. If you've tried this foundation before, please do let me know in the comment section below what you thought or what you think about the foundation. And yeah, the tutorial for this look will also be on my channel, probably before or after, but anyways, yeah, there's a tutorial for it. Until my next video guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful, and please be safe out there. Practice proper hygiene, and yeah, we will get through this. It is well. See you guys in my next video. Bye.